Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's new AMD B650 motherboards on AM5 platform. So friend, MSI has announced its brand new AMD B650 series motherboard, and it is not only tailored for enthusiast gamer but also offers possibilities for content creations and office use. And friend, MSI is fully dedicated to all types of PC users by satisfying their needs and trying to fully support AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, advanced performance algorithms. This motherboard inherited extended heat sinks in large surface for heat dissipation and utilize 7 watt per MK thermal pads and chalk pads for stable performance, and an M.2 seal freezer keeps M.2 SSDs running more stably and prevents immediate throttling during high speed reading and writing, and when double-sided M.2 seal freezer keeps both sides of M.2 from throttling, especially for high capacity or high speed storage. And when these motherboards adopted up to 16 plus 2 plus 1 dual trail power system and dual CPU power connectors, and core boost technology has become an iconic MSI feature, not only supporting multi-core CPUs but also helping create the perfect conditions for CPU overclocking by optimizing the layout design and digital power design. And this new AMD AM5 platform is designed along with the DDR5 memory and comes with the benefits of double bandwidth and higher speed. DDR5 memory definitely speeds up your system and comes with a dedicated SMT welding process and exclusive memory boost technology. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.